Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this grunge, kind of a black threshold effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, go to our bottom corner, go to new, and create our adjustment layer. Make sure it's above our clip, and the adjustment layer is gonna hold all of our effects. Go right here to effects and presets. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be CC threshold. We're gonna decrease that threshold all the way to around 90 or until it gives this kind of effect right here. I can increase it just a bit to about right here, around 94. Close out our menu right there. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be noise. Drag in noise, turn off use color noise, and increase our noise a bit right there. But that all out of the way, that is how you create this grunge threshold effect for your next music video or edit. If you guys learned something new today, or you just like this video overall, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. And apart from that, guys, keep on working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.